If you want to add a simple arrow in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a fast and easy way to insert an arrow graphic, place it exactly where you want it, and even animate it if you want a more polished result. This is super useful for tutorials, highlights, callouts, and pointing viewers toward important parts of your video. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut on your desktop. Once CapCut is launched, double-click your active video timeline so you're working in the correct project. This will make sure you're editing the right clip and can easily add elements on top of your footage. If you already have your timeline set up, you're ready for the next step. Now, look at the top toolbar and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut stores many of its visual elements, including shapes and graphics that you can use in your edit. Once the Stickers panel opens, you'll want to find the arrow graphic. On the left side panel, click the Shapes tab. This is usually where the clean and simple arrow options are located, along with other basic design elements. As you browse the shapes, hover over the arrow you want to use. When you find a simple arrow style that fits your video, click the plus button to add it, or drag it directly onto the timeline above your video track. I usually recommend placing it on a layer above your main footage so it stays visible and easy to edit. Once it's on the timeline, you can move forward with positioning and sizing. Next, click the arrow clip on your timeline. This is important because it activates the graphic so you can edit it properly. In the player window, you'll see a bounding box around the arrow. Use the handles on that box to resize the arrow, rotate it, or reposition it anywhere on the screen. You can make it small and subtle, or larger and more noticeable depending on what your video needs. If you're making a tutorial, try placing the arrow near the exact button, word, or area you want your viewers to focus on. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement. A clean arrow works best when it looks intentional and matches the flow of your video. If the arrow is too big, reduce the size a little. If it's pointing in the wrong direction, rotate it until it clearly leads the viewer's eye to the right spot. Small adjustments like this can make your video feel much more professional. If you want to make the arrow more dynamic, CapCut gives you an optional animation step. With the arrow still selected, go to the upper right configuration panel and click Animation. From there, choose a motion effect like bounce in or fade in. This can help the arrow appear more naturally and make it stand out without feeling too static. For example, a bounce in effect can make it feel more energetic, while a fade in can keep things clean and simple. Once you've chosen your animation, preview the video to see how it looks in motion. Watch the timing carefully and make sure the arrow appears exactly when you want it to. If needed, go back and adjust the duration, placement, or animation style until it feels right. The goal is to make the arrow support your message, not distract from it. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a simple arrow in CapCut PC, place it on your timeline, adjust its size and position, and optionally animate it for a more polished look. This is one of those small editing tricks that can make a big difference in the clarity of your videos. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut PC tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.